Alright guys, this is Idris from thebabsinfo.com and welcome to my channel. This is a channel where I talk about dropshipping, blogging, WordPress, making money online and general tech tips and tricks. If you are a newcomer to this channel, I would like to invite you to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel in order not to miss any further video update from this channel. But if you are a returning viewer, I would like to thank you for coming back. Alright, so in today's video we are going to look at how to get $10 cash back on every person you refer to sign up on a site I've just discovered. These sites are into online shopping and they list a lot of items from their partner websites. So without wasting my time, let's go straight to the site. Alright friends, this is the site. The name of the site is befrugal.com. I will leave the link in the description below. You click on it and you will be taken to the site. Once you are on the site, the first thing you need to do is to sign up for an account. It is easy to sign up for an account. All what you need to do is to click on the two options which will be given to you. You can sign up using your Facebook account or using Gmail account. So you will select your preferred choice and then continue with the signing up process. Once you are able to sign up successfully, you'll be taken to your dashboard. So this is the website. Once you are here, the moment you sign up, you'll be given the $10 bonus. So now to make additional income from this website, you need to refer your friends to also sign up using your referral link. Or if you are someone who always purchases item online, you can then go to the other stores and make some purchase and get a cash back on that. So once you are here, you can click on the deals and see the available deals they have for you. So these are the deals. These deals are just list of items from their partner stores. So let's say you come to the deal aspect and you see a product from this site. So whenever you make a purchase from this site, you'll be given a 6% cash back on that product. Let's say you have to purchase this product. It is a woman product. So when you click on it, you'll be taken to the main website. So let's click on it and see where we'll be taken to. Alright, so when you click on it, you'll be taken to the main product page. Here you can get the deal, meaning the price of the product is $18.79 US. So when you purchase this item, you'll be given 6% cash back on this price. This is something good for those who always make online purchases. So if you always make purchases online, you can use this website and claim your cash back. They have a lot of partner websites they deal with. They deal with Amazon, HP, Walmart, Dell and other big online companies. So if you are someone who always purchases things online, you can come to this website and use their deal to make your purchases. So once you are able to complete your purchases, you'll be given a cash back on that. Alright, so now if you don't want to make purchases for the cash back, you can now refer your friends to get more sign up bonuses, and these bonuses can be cashed out using Amazon gift cards, direct bank deposit or PayPal funds or cash. So now once you are here, you can come to your account and then see the available options you have under the account. So once you click on my account, you then click on account summary. Okay, so now as you can see, this is my account. This is just a new account I've created today because I've just discovered this website today and the website seems promising, so I want to share it with you guys. So as you can see, this is the account. This is my total account balance. This one was clear when I used a friend's referral link to also sign up, so I got my $10 back. And then as you can see, this is the pending aspect. So once you are able to also sign up, you'll be given the $10 fund. So all what you need to do is to click on the link below this video and you'll be taken to the websites. Alright, so once you're able to sign up for an account and you are under your account, get your referral bonus, you come on top, you will see refer a friend. So you click on it, and then your referral link will be displayed to you. So after you get the referral link, you can now copy the referral link and share it with your friends. They also follow and sign up, and each of you will be given $10 referral bonus. Alright, meaning if someone click on the link and register using your link, each of you will be given $10 bonuses. Alright, so once you click on the referral, get your referral, then you come down and you see the referral code here. I will use my link in the description below. You click on it and sign up. So as you can see, $10 for you, so $10 for you and $20 for your friend. Okay, so once you are here, you make sure you copy the referral link. You now forward it to your friends. When they use the link and sign up, each of you will be given $10 referral bonus. Alright guys, so this is just a quick video. I don't want to prolong things. So if you really find this video helpful, I would like you to share, like and comment. Alright, thank you, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.